Debador are a fully licensed kennel registered breeder of miniature toy and standard poodles and Labradors, bred for their temperament and quality. We have chocolate, golden and black Labradors and chocolate, apricot, white, black, blue poodles. We have litters throughout the year and waiting lists for coming up litters. We are a small family-run business that prides ourselves in the quality of our dogs and puppies, who are all home-reared. They bring us a great deal of love and joy and also a great deal of hard work. We wouldn't want it any other way. So if you're looking for your loving forever Furby babies, give us a ring on 07849 165 725. That's 07849 165 725.